Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the CMF Watch 3 Pro. I'm using the TicWatch E3 for a while. You guys know it. This kind of watch is just really cool, but it's time for making a switch. That's why I decided to grab this watch. Okay, so this is our CMF Watch 3 Pro. Such an amazing kind of watch from CMF, and it's really nice. And I wanted this kind of bad boy for a while, but today we're having it here on hand and we're going to be unboxing it and see what's so special with the CMF Watch 3 Pro. So guys, here's our bad boy. As you can spot it, really nice CMF Watch 3 Pro. We're going to be unboxing it and see what's packed inside. As you remember, last time we talked about the CMF watch, guys, if you remember, it was really nice. This one looks a little quite bigger compared to the other one we checked out last time. And you're getting your straps over here, which is quite impressive. Really nice straps with that kind of color. It's this black or gray, somewhere there offsetting, which is quite not bad. I can say it's a grayish blackish if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna keep it aside. And what is in here? So this is like how you can install your wristband, which is great. And what's inside over here? So on this side you're getting your charger. So this is your charger. As you can spot it, it's magnetic kind of charger, and it looks really cool. So really impressive. And last but not least, you're getting your paperwork. So you're going to be scanning this kind of QR code so as you can download the application, so as you can pair with your watch, which you're going to be doing it right now. There's our app. It's called Nothing X. We're going to be installing it so as we can pair with our watch. But meanwhile it's installing, let us just configure our watch on the strap side, because it shows you here how you can keep your straps on your watch. Like that, we are having our CMF watch over here. Now we're going to be installing the application so as we can pair with our watch. To turn it on, you just press this button. There we go, CMF by Nothing. So guys, there we go. That's our watch, and you can see there's a kind of animation there at the back. You can press over here to change any kind of watch face you prefer, and something like this, quite not bad. Or if you prefer something like darkscape, it's actually not bad. So throughout here you can swipe on these sides to select any functionality you want. You can play music, you can just check out the activities you want, you can just groove throughout the watch, whatever functionality you prefer. Really impressive. When you press this kind of button, it can take you throughout here on the app section, and you select any app you prefer. I kind of like the layout of the application, gives it a really nice kind of vibe. But you can go directly throughout the settings and change to default. Now default just gives it the same kind of layout like the Wear OS, how it is. Really quite not bad. I kind of like it. The apps over here, they're really impressive. Like you have calendar, you're having calculator, you're having alarm, you're having bunch of apps which you can use on your smartwatch. Really impressive. I kind of like it. Not only that, you can have remote control, so you can just take pictures using only your watch, which it's cool, but it does not show you the view here, so as you can see actually what you're taking, but quite not bad. Another kind of stuff, you can check out the phone call. It has like phone call, it has reminder, world clock, bunch of apps. Now let's jump in throughout exercise. Now on the exercise side, it has bunch of applications over here throughout exercising, depending on you which one you prefer, and it's really impressive. You can check out more set in common sports section on the app, so you can just check out throughout there on the application side of your phone, which is quite not bad. And overall the watch seems to be really cool. I kind of like it. The way it is actually quite bigger in size, I can say, compared to my TicWatch E3. This is my TicWatch E3, and this is the CMF Watch 3 Pro. When I keep them both side to side, you can spot it. The CMF 3 Pro, it's really cool throughout the bezels, like the whole around of it. It's quite bigger. This TicWatch E3 kind of feels compact. So guys, let's talk about the application of the CMF Watch 3 Pro. Seems to be really great. It has a really nice interface with a dark kind of theme on it. You can check out through the device over here. You can tap anything you prefer, and you can go directly throughout the dial gallery and check out more kind of watch faces you prefer to use. Really amazing throughout this kind of CMF Watch 3 Pro, and I kind of like it. These are so much classic kind of watch faces. You just tap on add and it will just process throughout there directly throughout your watch. The watch comes really in handy. I kind of like the minimalism throughout the application and even connecting directly throughout the watch. Just like that, you're having your watch face in sync, and it's really dope. So guys, let's talk about the CMF Watch 3 Pro specs. Well, it has a display of 1.43-inch AMOLED display. It has a brightness of 617 nits. It has a battery of 350 mAh battery, which can last up to 13 days. It has a GPS dual band, and it has a connection of Bluetooth version 5.3 plus calling. On the sensor side, it has heart rate sensor, SpO2, accelerometer, and gyro. On sports mode, it has 130 plus sports mode, and it's even having an AI chat GPT built in. On top of that, it has a water rating IP68 and the weight of 51 grams. Well, between the CMF Watch 3 Pro and the TicWatch E3, I feel like since I've been using the TicWatch E3, it has that kind of feel of Android Wear. And you know how Android Wear works. Really impressive. The CMF, on the other hand, it feels like something a little bit different. Like it makes it feel like a Mazfit kind of vibe, which is quite not bad. And I kind of like it. It's really stealth, really cool. It has bunch of apps, which I usually really like to use, especially when it comes to even sports activity, which I believe you can share on the Strava, same as how the TicWatch E3 is capable of doing. So my final verdict throughout this kind of watch, is it worth it? I can say to the scale of 10 to 0, I give it around 8. Quite not bad. It's missing only something like a store, which I wish it could be having, or at least nothing could just switch to Wear OS. On top of the skin of the operating system which they have, it's quite impressive. I wish it could be like that. But overall, I can't complain. The CMF Watch 3 Pro, it's really nice. It has a really nice feel, really nice features, really good in hand. It fits well, good for sports, good for playing your music on the go if you want to use it over here. Really impressive. And yeah, that's a CMF Watch 3 Pro. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the CMF Watch 3 Pro? Are you thinking about grabbing something like this, or you're like, meh, you know what, I'm gonna stick with the Pixel Watch or the Samsung Galaxy Watch, or I'm gonna just stay with that watch. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the CMF Watch 3 Pro? Are you planning on grabbing this kind of bad boy, or you're sticking with what you have? And another kind of stuff, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.